Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in granite crystal metallic. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, S appearance package, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black stow-in-place roof rack, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5868A.